Hello everyone, today is the case of upgrading the W La Vida to sport short springs. This spring is not less comfortable than the original spring. It's not very hard, it's a soft and comfortable spring. Okay, let's look at the height of the original car. The front is a little more than 4 fingers. The back is also a 4-finger state. And its tires and wheels are original. The height after installation is about 2 fingers. Now let's start loading the car. Now we have removed the front shock springs, but we have a problem. That is to say, its shock absorbing movement. Because of aging, although there is no oil leakage on the outside, the internal performance of the shock movement has deteriorated. We can see the depression of the first half, it doesn't rebound. It only rebounded after it was pressed to the bottom, and is very slow, and it doesn't rebound after half of the rebound. In this case, you need to replace the shock cartridge. Like our sport shock cartridge, we can replace it instead of repairing it. As a replacement part for our original, replace our already broken movement.